try to replace the fuel tank straps, the last one here on the back, because they are all rotten and destroyed. I'm not sure if I got everything to replace it. I'm just gonna try. We'll see. I gotta remove everything from here. The fairings on both sides, because I'm gonna do it on both sides. We'll see how it goes. Got the straps right here. I got the nuts. I got the pins over there somewhere. Look at this, fellas. This is the left one, and the right one is much worse than this. It's not even holding the tank because it's broken somewhere over there, I think. All these lights need to be removed. This chrome trim, and then we'll see what's next. Lights off. Now this chrome trim on my truck is on this kind of clips, so you just push it from the inside out, and the same on the bottoms. Then these clips here, they hold the fairing to the frame. At least on these old trucks. On the newer ones, I'm pretty sure it's a different thing. I got the panel off, fellas. I'm gonna have to take it home and fix it. Here on the corner, the other side. And look at this. Holy shit. I have to remove this panel and remove the wheel. Because of this catwalk, there's a lot of custom made brackets and stuff mounted to this, like this one right here. I have to take this off, this one's, and then the strap. A lot of work. Look at this one, guys. This one is completely destroyed. Whew. What a difference. This one broke off here. I'm gonna reuse the rubber pad because it's pretty good condition. I'm just gonna clean it, put it on this one. I have to remove the bottom part now with the big nut. I think I'm gonna have to cut it. It's a lot of work, especially with this thing. If there was no catwalk, it's not that bad. But check this out, my fellas. Look at this. Look at this shit here. I'm gonna cut this bolt because there is no way I'm gonna be able to remove this nut. Crazy. And it's out. Okay, let's try to clean the rubber pad. Okay, got the bracket. I'm just gonna put this extra bracket for mounting bolts inside on both arms and put it on there. Okay, this one is on. Safety pin. I know the frame is rusty. New nut. Everything is new. Let's put this back together. Same thing on this side, fellas. check this out. It's still holding it because this bracket holds the bottom piece with the top piece, but nothing else. This is all destroyed. Second one is out. Rusty frame, obviously. I had to cut the bolt. Gonna clean the rubber pad and put the new one on. Second one, clean rubber pad, putting pad on. Okay, this one is on too. Put the safety pin, the bolt on the bottom. Should be good to go. So I brought the fairings home. I had to fix the corners. This is not plastic. I tried to weld it with a plastic welder. Don't work, it's burning it. So I had to use the 3M special glue, and it works really good on the fairings and hood and whatever. I don't have the fiberglass, so I hope this is gonna work. And I don't even know if fiberglass would hold this. I just hope this glue is gonna keep it together. I'm welding this little bracket because it was broken. Alright, not bad at all. Alright, I got the catwalk back on. I have to put the fairings. I got the panel back on. Now this holders right here, all four on both sides. The chrome panel with lights. The lights are on. Not yet, but they're in. Lights are on. Okay, I finished both sides. All done.